Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you the basics of creating a smart home by using a NodeMCU board programmed in Arduino IDE environment using Blynk application. First, I will plug the NodeMCU into the breadboard. If you don't have the NodeMCU board in your Arduino IDE boards manager, just follow this instructable, whose link is given in the description below. This instructable shows how to add a NodeMCU board into your Arduino IDE environment, and then we can continue the rest of the project. Just follow this instructable. It says go to files and click on the preference in Arduino IDE. Okay, so we will open up the Arduino IDE environment. I will go to files and then preferences. Now we will just copy this URL and simply paste it here and click on OK. Now go to Tools, then Boards, and now go to Boards Manager. Let it update first. Now in the search bar, type NodeMCU and yeah, we got it. Now we'll just select the latest version and we'll install. It took me some time to download the board since the file was near about of 150 to 170 MB, so I'll just skip this video. Now we'll close this box. Now we'll go to Tools, then Boards, and we'll just scroll down to check if NodeMCU board is added. Yeah, there it is. Now we will include the Blynk library. So for that we'll go to Sketch and then include library, then manage libraries. This is the library manager. Let the library manager update itself. Yeah, and now on the search bar, type Blynk. The first one is the library we need to install. We'll select the latest version and click on install. Yeah. Now we have installed the Blynk library. Now we will go to File, then Examples, and we will scroll down and search for Blynk. Yep, there it is. Now we will search for boards Wi-Fi, as our NodeMCU board is a Wi-Fi board. Yeah, and then we'll click on to NodeMCU. Now before uploading this code, you need to edit 3 parameters. The first one is the authentication token. You see here it is written as your auth token. For that we'll go to our smartphone we'll open the Play Store and search for Blynk. You see the first one. Yeah, as I have already installed the Blynk app, I'll just simply open the app and create a new account. As I have already an account on Blynk app, I'll just log into my account, enter my ID and password and click on login. Make sure you are connected to an active internet connection all the time. Now click on new project. Now project name, let's say home automation. Choose a device. Our device is a NodeMCU board, so we'll search for a NodeMCU board. You see there are too many boards here. Yeah, that is NodeMCU board. In connection type, you'll have to choose Wi-Fi, as the NodeMCU board runs on Wi-Fi. Click on OK. Then you can choose the theme as you wish, dark or light, and then create. Now this is important. You see this dialog box says authentication token was sent to my email ID, so I'll just click on OK and we'll come back to my PC once again and we'll open the mail inbox. You see there's an email from the Blynk server. Here you see the auth token. There is a code. You just simply need to copy this code and then we'll open the Arduino IDE and simply paste this code here. Your auth token. Yeah, and now we need to edit two more parameters, that is SSID and password. SSID is your Wi-Fi hotspot, or you can say the network name. The SSID is the hotspot to which the NodeMCU will be connected, and the password of your Wi-Fi hotspot to which the NodeMCU will be connected. Yeah, now we're ready to go. All looks fine. There's no need to change anything else. Now we'll go to tools. We'll select the NodeMCU board and then we'll select the flash size to 4M 3M SPIFFS. That is simply the uploading speed, I would say. Set your CPU frequency at 80 MHz and then connect your NodeMCU board to your computer through a normal micro USB cable and select the port to which your NodeMCU board is connected and then click on upload. Since the code will take some time to upload, I'll just skip on this step and move on to my smartphone again, and we'll click on the widget box and select a button, and we'll click on this button to configure it. We'll select the mode to switch. Let's name the button as light 1. The output pin is the pin to which the LED or any of the output devices will be connected on the NodeMCU board So there are a total of 11 digital PWM pins available. I'll select, let's say, D5 and then click on the run button that is on the top right corner. Now we are ready to use as soon as we are connected to the internet. You see the smartphone is connected to the Blynk server. Now we just need to power up this NodeMCU. We will plug in the micro USB cable. And we will use a regular 5V adapter or a mobile charger and plug into the board. Now as soon as I switch on the NodeMCU board, you see the app is connected to the board through the server via internet. Now as I switch off the NodeMCU board, it shows offline. Now the final part, I'll just plug in this LED as an output device to the D5 pin of the NodeMCU board. Make sure the LED's positive terminal is connected to D5 pin and the negative connected to ground. Now let's power up the NodeMCU board. Now as I click on the switch on the app, the LED lights up. That's so simple. The LED is controlled through the Blynk app via internet. Now we can control this LED from any part of the world. Let's explore a little bit more now. I'll delete this button and I'll go to widget box and add a slider. You can configure the slider or any component as you like. Now we'll select the output pin as D5 and switch off the send on release button and run the app. Now you see, using this virtual potentiometer, I can also control the brightness of LED, that is through a PWM signal, which means pulse width modulation. I'm sure you know this. So yeah, this is the project all about. You can also control the actual home appliances using a relay board in place of the LEDs. That's all for today guys. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel and do hit the bell icon. Now you can connect with me on Facebook, Instagram and LinkedIn. Thank you for watching.